In a world full of absolutely useless metals. Aluminum, forget about it. Stainless steel, pfft, what even is that? Millions of Americans every day struggle to find use of these awful metals that are forced upon us by the government. Better metals must exist, right? But what could they possibly be?
Hi, I'm Alvin Flynn, founder of our brand new company, Gold, where we put the AU back in awesome. Now here's the thing about gold. Gold is a luxurious metal, so I shouldn't just be wearing something like this sweater. How about we try this? That's better. Now let's go see our product in action. See this window right here? As you can see, it does not have a thin layer of gold on it, but if it did, it would reflect the sun's heat and even color the window. Let's see how that could work. Now I have this piece of gold. Let's put it on the window and see what happens. Feel cooler yet? Me too. Oh man, my tooth hurts. If only there was something that could help me fix that cavity. Oh look, gold. Gold is often used in the dentistry industry due to its malleability, the fact that it's chemically inert, and that it's non-allergenic. Thanks, gold! The most common use of gold is as jewelry because of its luster, but it's also often mixed with zinc, copper, and other metals because on its own it's much too soft to wear. Wow, so many great uses for gold. But don't just take my word for it. Here's some happy customers to share their testimonies on how gold helped their lives.
Hi, my name is Julio, and I just wanted to call and say that gold has absolutely changed my life. Like, it has made me the most popular of all 5 of my neighbors here in Greenland. So thank you so much. Bye.
Hello, you will not know my name, but I like gold, and I am a different person. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Lucy, and I'd just like to say that all of the girls in the exact same demographic as me, ages 5 to 8, should all buy gold because the demographic is struggling, but it's a really good industry.
Let's compare gold to one of our leading competitors, lead. Gold is often used in the dentistry industry, as mentioned before, but what if you put lead in the dentistry industry? It's extremely toxic and would probably kill you if you filled your tooth, so gold is clearly the better choice here. Let's check out this lead. Fun fact about gold, it can also be eaten due to the fact that it's non-toxic and has no odor or taste. So we often have a little bit of it on top of our food as a little pizzazz to our meal. But let's compare it to our competitor, mercury. If I was to drink this cup of mercury, which you can clearly see right here, I would probably die because mercury is extremely toxic. Just another reason why gold is the best choice. Here's a little fact about gold. It's extremely soft. In fact, it's the softest metal. So here at our expert facilities, we conducted a little test to see how soft it is compared to this pillow. See? Virtually no difference. Since you already know all this awesome stuff about gold, why don't we show you how it's made? I'm going to turn it over to my co-host, Ernest McFliggersons. Hello everyone, I am scientist Ernest McFliggersons, and I'm here to talk to you about all of the scientific factors of our new product, gold.
Gold, or AU, has an atomic number of 79, and its atomic mass is 197. This means there are 79 protons and 118 neutrons in the nucleus, the way it appears in the periodic table. Gold is a solid in its natural state, and it is a metal. It is very malleable and ductile, and it is also non-corrosive. Gold has a melting point of 1,337.58 degrees Kelvin and a boiling point of 3,080 degrees Kelvin. As metals tend to be, gold is a good conductor of heat and energy. Here you can see the Bohr diagram of a gold atom, and you may notice it only has one electron on its outer shell. However, it is still mostly unreactive because the electrons follow energies which few other molecules and chemicals can match.
Thank you, Ernest. Gold is a large part of the economy for many low-income nations, and the majority of the profits go to the government of these host nations, and workers are paid fair wages, unlike many other industries. The best part of the environmental impact of gold is that it doesn't really have any. Gold is non-toxic, insoluble, and chemically inert, so we don't have to worry about it doing anything too big. The only bad environmental impact gold has is the fact that we have to mine for it, but we can't really get around that one. Need more proof that gold is super safe? Gold is so unreactive that it's one of the few metals in the entire universe that can be found in its natural element state. Socially, gold has been used in the jewelry industry for centuries and has been sold as a valuable metal. Jewelry is a very large part of the economy, and gold is the largest part of it. Legally, we're required to tell you the risks of gold. When inhaled or absorbed with too long of an exposure, gold can cause minor irritation, but it's pretty much safe. Do you think that sounds so bad? Me neither. And to add on to that, gold can actually be used to cure diseases. Gold is often used to cure rheumatoid arthritis, and no one really knows why. But hey, if it works, you might as well. So it appears we've reached the end of our time together. But never fear, this is the most exciting part. If you want to order this block of gold right now, call the number at the bottom of your screen, and we'll have it shipped out to you in 45 days. Free shipping! Whoa! But wait, there's more. If you call the number on the bottom of your screen right now, not only do you get this large block of gold, but you also get this golden crown. What? Buy one, get one, all for the amazing price of $8,000. So please call the number on the bottom of your screen right now. And don't forget,
If you want to buy a metal that will never get old, buy from a company that won't be undersold. We mine it from the ground and then we put it in a mold. Come